Good evening everyone. I can tell what I have learned in this subject. Comparative models in policing show that no single system works for all societies. The key lessons include need to adapt policing strategies to local culture and condition, building trust and cooperation with the community, and respect for human rights. They also emphasize more effective than just reacting to incidents, and that professional training, discipline, and ethical behavior are essential. In addition, these models highlight the importance of transparency, proper of use technology, strong leadership, and coordination with other institutions like justice system and local government. Overall, effective policing is about fairness, efficiency, and public service. Thank you.